Hey tech enthusiasts, if you're into cars and gadgets, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of OBD2 scanners, the ultimate tools for anyone who wants to keep their vehicle in peak condition without constantly running to the mechanic. Whether you're a DIYer or just car curious, these devices will transform how you understand and maintain your ride. All the product links are down in the description so you don't have to hunt them down later. And if you're craving more in-depth reviews and comparisons, be sure to visit tactadvice.com for all the latest. All right, friends, let's talk about what you can expect in today's video. By the end of this countdown, you'll know the top 5 OBD2 scanners that are the best bang for your buck. We're talking about devices that will help you diagnose, fix, and understand what's happening under your car's hood. I know you're here because you want the best tools to keep your car running smoothly, so let's get right into it. Number 5. First up is the ANCEL A310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner. This little beast is one of the best-sellered OBD2 scanners on the market, and for good reason. YouTube's favorite auto mechanic, Scotty Kilmer, swears by it. It can quickly read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, read live data, and even give you hard memory data, all for the fantastic price of $26.99. Imagine saving multiple trips to the mechanic with just one investment. The ANCEL AD200 is built like a tank with a 2.5-foot cable made of thick, flexible insulation. This means it can withstand a bit of rough handling, which is great if you're as clumsy as I am. Not to mention it's compact and lightweight, so you can easily toss it in your glove compartment or backpack. What's really impressive is how fast and accurate this scanner is. It delivers results in seconds and helps you understand if your car is in good condition or if there's an issue that needs immediate attention. And here's a cool bit, it powers directly from your vehicle's OBDI data link connector. No batteries or charger needed. Compatibility won't be an issue here. The AD310 supports all OBDWII protocols like KWP2000, J1000, 850 VPW, and CAN, and works with a wide range of vehicles from the US, Europe, and Asia. It's a home necessity and a worthy addition to any car owner's toolkit. Number 4. Next, we have the A-Premium AD200 Professional OBD2 Scanner. Now, this scanner steps things up with its 15-plus powerful functions. From reading and clearing codes to conducting EVAP/O2 sensor tests, it's a step above entry-level tools. For just $49.99, you get a comprehensive diagnostic tool that can help you quickly figure out why that check engine light is on. The AD200 doesn't just read codes, it gives you detailed data including battery voltage, coolant temperature, and even fuel rail pressure. This kind of detailed data helps you diagnose issues more accurately and saves you a lot of time and money. One of my favorite features is its ability to convert boring data into real-time visual curves. This makes it super easy to spot any abnormalities and narrow down your checks. Plus, its one-click Get Vehicle Information function can quickly retrieve VIN/CID/CVN, making diagnostics a breeze. The AD200's 2.4-inch True Color display and efficient hotkeys make daily operation smooth and intuitive. It even comes with warning lights to indicate the severity of any vehicle issues. Green means all systems go, yellow means minor issues, and red means serious problems. This scanner is versatile, fitting a wide range of vehicles from 1996 onwards and supports numerous OBD protocols. With its robust cable and powerful ARM CPU, it's built to last and perform well under pressure. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is the Blcktec 440 Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. This is the scanner you want if you're serious about vehicle health management. Priced at $89.99, it simplifies reading and clearing trouble codes while enhancing your diagnostic capabilities with comprehensive emissions readiness and system resets. The Blcktec 440 shines with its precision monitoring and analysis via live data graphing. It's perfect for keeping tabs on your vehicle's real-time performance and ensuring you receive accurate error code interpretations. It's recommended by leading mechanics and features a vibrant 2.8-inch color screen and printer compatibility for easy report sharing. If smog tests are a concern, this scanner's streamlined smog preparation feature is a lifesaver. Its user-friendly I/M readiness hotkeys and color-keyed LEDs provide instant readiness status, making emissions testing a snap. This scanner is also plug-and-play, meaning it powers up directly from your vehicle's 16-pin DLC, no batteries needed. It's essential for both home mechanics and automotive DIYers, offering reliable diagnostics without any fuss. Number 2, our runner-up is the Launch X431 CRP 919 EBT Elite. This scanner is an absolute powerhouse, priced at $539.00. It features both Bluetooth and USB connectivity, making it super versatile. With top-notch hardware, it's 5x faster than other models and supports a whopping 23+ languages. What sets the CRP 919 EBT apart is its support for advanced protocols like CAN-FD and DOIP, making it compatible with newer GM and BMW models. It's also got advanced ECU coding capabilities, allowing you to customize vehicle configuration and disable intrusive features. Bidirectional control is a standout feature, letting you execute ECU commands and assess everything from ABS to wipers. This means you can diagnose and fix issues without hefty repair bills. Plus, it supports 35+ reset functions for over 150 vehicle models, covering everything from throttle adaptation to brake pad replacement coding. The CRP 919 EBT performs OE-level system scans for 150+ brands, enabling precision repairs and significantly reducing workshop costs. It's designed with user-friendly features, as you can display 8 PIDs on a single screen and share diagnostic reports via CSV files. Number 1. And finally, the top spot goes to the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scan tool. Coming in at $89.95, BlueDriver is the ultimate tool for anyone who wants to scan and understand their vehicle like a professional mechanic. With the ability to read and clear over 7,000 issues, including ABS, airbag, SRS, and TPMS codes, this scanner takes the crown. BlueDriver offers unlimited repair reports, real-time health monitoring, and it's all wireless via Bluetooth. Say goodbye to annoying wires. Just connect your phone or tablet to the sensor that plugs into your car's OBD2 port, and you've got all the capabilities of an expensive code reader in your pocket. The user-friendly app connects you to a massive database of repair videos with step-by-step directions. And the best part, there are no subscription fees or in-app add-ons. One purchase gets you everything you need. The scanner is compatible with all gas-powered vehicles made in 1996 or newer, covering big names like GM, Ford, Chrysler, and Toyota. Plus, you get 24/7 professional support with highly trained technicians, just a call or in-app chat away. So that's our rundown of the top 5 OBD2 scanners. These devices are game changers for anyone looking to understand and maintain their vehicle without breaking the bank. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and check out techadvice.com for deeper dives into the best gadgets out there. All the product links are in the description, so you're just one click away from leveling up your car maintenance game. Thanks for watching, and happy driving!